We'll help you on how to add the average true range trading indicator in MetaTrader mobile.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Go to this chart, make sure you're on the ticker symbol, and go to the middle hand screen and click F. Click the plus icon underneath the main window. And in order to add the true range trading indicator, scroll down until you see oscillators, and it should be the first option, average true range. You can change the period if you would like. We'll keep it at default at 14, but someone would like to change it at 20 or even 30. It's up to you. You can even create or add a level if you would like. You can change the style to whatever color and click done. And once you're happy or satisfied, as it's applied on all time frames, click done. And now you have successfully added the ATR, or the average true range free trading view trading indicator, completely for free.